and sun, but I've never tried sleeping with a submachine gun. I got more problems than the average fella, and I know it don't help when someone calls me yellow. I won't stop fighting till the details.
This week we're going to take a look at this new portrait I did of Sami Callihan. Sami's a lot of fun to paint. This is the second one I've done of him. He looks like a character from an Ashley Wood or a Frank Frazetta painting, which makes my job a lot easier because he's just so visually interesting to look at to begin with. It really inspires me as a painter. Inspiration is kind of a made-up thing that hobbyists use. You don't hear a lot of professional artists talk about inspiration, but it does occasionally hit. Inspiration is kind of a crutch for some people. My inspiration is that I have bills to pay, so I need to get paintings done. That's just how that works. Anyway, what we've got here is a headshot of how he currently looks, and then in the foreground will be a figure shot, mid-shot of earlier in his career. So I'm essentially having to do two full portraits here, and having to do the headshot first because it's in the background. And with that part done, now I'm coming in on the foreground, putting my blacks down first, then bringing in the darker colors that I'll need to have in there. Limited my palette quite a bit on this one. It's mostly just warm colors in there. I'm just trying to get some of that hellish vibrance that he has through in the piece. And this one was a little frustrating while working on it. One, because I know the last one I did to him I really enjoyed, and this one, it just wasn't quite working for me. You know, I got to the end here and it didn't gel, but then I came in with those splashes of black in the bottom, bam, it worked. And here's the finished piece. Not bad.
Cool stuff!
When life comes a knocking, yeah, knocking at your door, knocking so hard and knock to the floor. You gotta get up with your fists high and praise. Fight with such a force that the gods should be praised. Show them you're a man even though you were born on the rising sun, rising sun.
Buy stuff!
Time to pay the bills. First, I still have some of these autographed Harley Race prints available, with the proceeds going to help a family with their medical bills. And new this week, Wild. Only 25 made, $25 each. ProWrestlingTees.com/Rob Schamberger.
See you next week!